Today the channel Driving by the Light reached a round number of 20,000 views. On this occasion I have decided to create a short recap video. Channel was created pretty long time ago, at least from YouTube perspective, on the 9th of May 2011, as a memory of Ice Hockey Championship in 2003, where Slovakia won bronze medals. I believe many Slovak hockey fans still remember the epic goal by Pavel Demitra, which definitely decided the bronze medal match against Czech Republic. Later, the channel was used mainly as a medium of sharing personal videos from exotic travels, year summaries or some other events. At the beginning of this summer, I started to play with my camera to create videos and focus on time-lapse videos with 4K resolution. While testing, I uploaded couple of videos and afterwards was surprised from their success and reaction of my friends. They liked them and asked me to create more. So did I, and now we are here with this nice limit of 20,000 views. So let's start with a short summary. There are 87 videos created as part of this channel, and from them, here you can see the top 10 videos of recent 30 days. The first is a cute Christmas wish in Slovak language, followed by invitation to Slovak Christmas markets in Trnava. On the third place is a short guide how to fix a problem with yellow screen in operating system Windows 10. From country point of view, it is not a surprise that there is Slovakia as the top country, followed by Czech Republic, but the third place and USA is slightly surprise. As part of a feedback, there are almost 400 likes and only 20 dislikes. That is really nice ratio, 20:1. If I summarize the number of videos viewed during the whole lifetime of this channel, there is the already mentioned Ice Hockey Championship video on the first place, mainly due to big advantage of its time on YouTube, followed by the Christmas wish and Christmas markets invitation. So I hope the recap was really quick and you did not get too bored, and in the end I would like to thank you all for watching my videos. I am doing them for you. So if you will watch some video and give it a like or share with your friends, I will be pleased, and this way I will also receive a feedback that you are interested in my videos, so it makes sense to continue in this activity further. Not sure if I can mention the plans to create 2 series of videos from my trips, western part of USA and New Zealand Kiwi tour. So one more time thank you, and I hope you will see me in the next anniversary video.